Oh.
We got Pokemon.
Yeah. Ooh. Hi.
Happy birthday, Xiao. Welcome to the 30s Club. Hope you have an amazing day. From my love to you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Right, I am gonna have first. It looks colorful. It's actually colorful. Oh gosh, that is actually delicious. Mmm. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I love it. Ooh, let me. Nothing like glass, but I like. Mmm. Oh, lovely. I like it. Thank you. It's perfect. I know you have a specific taste of pancakes, McDonald's. I bought a choice of ingredients that you might like. I bought bananas, strawberries, peanut butter, and I got chocolate syrup waiting in the kitchen as well. And still make room for dinner. Did you buy it yesterday?
Yeah.
I might even gonna get me some of those. That's actually perfect. That's perfect. Actually, you know what? Let me bring one. Ooh, let me just. I can't see squat. Oh, I see you now. I'm just about to say what the heck. Oh my gosh, that flower is so big.
It's a big one.
Yeah, no, boy, Sainsbury's. She won £4.60. Holy shit! I saw bigger, but I choose not to buy it because it was so big. Chocolate milk is the tits. Oh god, that's delicious. Surely it'd be enough for one person, actually. No, let me just, because I might have some. Ooh. Looks, well, perfect. Let me spoil you good. Let me spoil you good. Oh gosh, you're such a random gesture that didn't really plan out. Wow, that was a loud one. Oh my god, did you? Was that you? Was that actually you? That's the first time I ever heard you fart in this household. I'm actually gonna write it down, the date, the actual date and time, what the time is, like 2:45. 2:45, the 12th of August, and the day of Xiao's birthday. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Yeah. Oh gosh, I need to clean up this kettle. I mean, the cooker. Stop following me. Oh, my sleeves. It is perfect. The pencil. Oh, I know it. You know what? Let me take this out. Hi. It looks good. Yum. Happy birthday. Say when. Just give it about a minute because it's probably a little bit heated up. About medium heat. This is how I like it. Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise. Turn the boy up! Exactly. Oh, it looks alright. Cool. I just need to make sure everything is so cooked in both sides. Last time it was cooked, it was so sticky in the bottom. And I had to quickly like scrape it up. I want this to be the best birthday that you can have. And so far you got chicken, you got pancakes, you got Pokemon, and you made some good drinks. Looks alright. Looks a bit alright. We just need to like another minute. Let's do this. Ooh, that looks alright. So good, so good. Like the cutest pancake ever. Once you're ready, bananas, strawberry, peanut butter, or you can borrow my chocolate syrup. Anything you want to design your pancake. Oh, oh, the morning is so hot.
You wanted to breathe. Fresh air.
Strawberries. It looks like. Oh, be careful. I think I'll just hold the pancake for later. Put the boy in the fridge. First bite. I can take the criticism, hit me hard, because that's the only way to make a master chef is to accept criticism. Food for food. You know what? Downing that drink with the jelly on it tastes more sweeter.